How to get notes on Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can get notes on Messenger. So let's dive in. First, open your Messenger app and then you can see I have my notes over here. To get these notes, you have to go to your app store on your phones, and then here you have to search for Messenger on your app store, and then it's going to bring you to this page and you have to click this Messenger, and now simply click this update option. Once you update your Messenger app, it's going to show you the notes on your Messenger app. And if it still doesn't, I'm going to show you what to do next once the update is complete. Now once the update is complete, click open, and then it's going to show you the notes option over here. And if it still doesn't, you have to click these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to click this settings icon over here. And now scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find this help option and choose it. You can also go back and click this report a problem option, and now click report anyway, and then it's going to bring you to this page and click don't include, and here you will briefly explain that you can't see the notes option and you have to get it fixed, and then click send. And once done, Messenger is going to fix your problem and show you your notes option. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.